Okay, so hi everyone. So I'm recording a quick tutorial on how to use the Data Geeks XP system, the DGX. We can brief it in that way. Now I'm going to give a scenario. For example, from the projects we have in the system, I'm going to use an example of the projects that are already in the system. Let's say we have, for example, in the system, we have a project called Blue Band. Now, what this project does, Blue Band has its products. For example, it has the Blue Bands have different types. Like we have the Spread for Bread Blue Band and the original Blue Band. So those are two products. However, in those two products, they are categorized. We have original 100 grams, original 250 grams, original 500 grams. You get like that. Now, if a company like Blue Band has people selling its products and it wants to know how is it doing, how are these people in the field, how are they selling the products, right? So I'm going to log in with the Blue Band credentials like Fazil and I password. Now I'm a seller of Blue Band and I sell Blue Band projects, right? I sell Blue Band products. So when I log in, they will show me the dashboard. Then I can click on this left on when you look at the left upper corner, we have 3 horizontal lines. So that is an option menu. I click and it will show you the left menu, and under the left menu we have outlets and sales. Now outlets is like a shop where you are selling those products. Like it could be a person, it could be a shop. It's a general term to mean outlets. And we have cells. Now, for example, if I'm to create a cell, I'll come here and say create a cell. So when I create a cell, I'll be like add a product. So I'm creating a cell, like I've reached a shop and the shop is willing to buy Blue Band from me, the products I have. So after giving the shop, after selling the Blue Band to the shop, I'm entering this data into the system. So I add the product that I have sold. For example, this when I click, let me show you. When I click on sell on, let me first remove this. When I click on add project, they will tell me to select the project. They select the product. Then when I tap on select product, these are the different products I have for Blue Band. These products still can be added in the system by a certain user, maybe the admin or the person in charge of stock, you get. So I have 100 grams original. I have 100, 250 original 250 grams. I have original 500 grams. Now, in your case, imagine these are your products. Maybe you are selling, you have a retail shop. You can say this is a book, this is a pen, this is a what? Yeah. So once you sell that, you enter, let's say we've sold original 250. Now, the next field that has 0 in it is for the quantity. So when I do that, I will enter the quantity that I've sold. Let's have sold to this person 2 tins of Blue Band, 250 grams. Now, you see when I click on the sides, they will show me the price of those two. That means each is 5,000 shillings. So after that, I say save the sale. So ideally, I'm saving this information into the system. Now, whoever is in charge of monitoring how sales are going, whoever is in charge of the sales in Blue Band will be able to see that someone has sold. Let me show you. When I come here to view sales, I will see that someone, okay, that someone has sold. Product sold is Blue Band 250 grams. Now this is more information. When I click on the plus sign, the information will expand. Now this is a transaction ID. You don't mind about that. It's a system created. Sold to an unknown customer. We can choose there that the system knows the customer or does not know the customer. And the seller, I'm called Biarugaba Masudi, for example. That is the username. My username was Fazil. I'm the one who has sold. And the product sold is original 250 grams. And I have sold two. You see the two in the brackets. Then the payment method, that one can be selected. But these are the details. The net cost, the price I've sold it, and everything. So, for example, if I log in as an admin, let me log out. If I log in as an admin of if I log in as an admin of Blue Band, now we are seeing the other person of Blue Band. What is he do? The admin, the person in charge of sales. When they log in, okay, they will be able now, because there is a lot of data into the system. The price has accumulated because remember, I'm under the sales, under the view sales. This is all data that was sold. This is this test data. But when we accumulate all this data, this person, when it comes to the dashboard, the person will be able to know that the sales so far cost 32,000, and the outlets sold to, the outlets mean the shops that are sold to, or the people that are sold to, they are 11. And so far in my Nani, I have 6 products in my in my database. And if when you click on the products, you can even know that original 250, the stock, you see that green part, the stock is 9,998 tins left. Initially there were 1,000, there were 10,000, right? Yeah, there were 10,000. So I sold 2. I didn't show this before, but when you use the system, you can easily tell. You can add a product, and after adding a product, you see here there is add product. This add product is by the admin or the person in charge of entering stock. When I add product, I will add a product category if it exists. If it doesn't exist, you just leave it. You can add a product code if it exists. If it doesn't exist, you leave it. You can add a product description. A description can be like a name, the way you see Blue Band 100 grams. You can add, for your case, you can add maybe a t-shirt or a shirt or whatever product you're selling. Then you can add the stock. The stock is the number of products you are bringing in. You can add the buying price, like at how much did you buy this product, and then the selling price, at what price do you want to sell the product. So literally, when you give in this data to the system, once the people are making sales, the system will automatically know that these sales, the sales have accumulated to this amount, and in the stock we are left with this, and you have made this kind of profits, and blah blah blah, etc. From the reports, you can see even the graphs are here. So far the graph shows, this graph is showing, I think, from day 1 to day to up to date, but this is just test data, so it is not real data in the field. It's just data that is created for testing. Yeah. So I think for now we shall keep on learning more, because there are many. You can generate reports, you can view graphs and pie charts. There are many, but for now we can be I'll keep on posting more and more videos on explaining on how to use the system, and how to actually get the real view of the system, and how to actually analyze your data and know how many profits you've made, whether you're into loss, and etc. Yeah, thank you very much.